welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite professional wig head and baby mama, back again with another wig review. And the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is the wig that I'm rocking on my head right now, which is Outre's Yvette. Before we get started, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name's Champagne and I love wigs, beauty, basically looking bougie on a budget. If that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and join the fam. If you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, welcome back. Let's go ahead and jump into the specs on Miss Yvette. So like I mentioned before, this unit is from Outre's Perfect Hairline collection. If you guys remember, I just did a review on Outre's Sade from the Perfect Hairline collection. I will put a link up here so you guys can check that out if you're interested. That one is another really bomb unit that I loved as well. Outre's Perfect Hairline collection is hitting, okay? It is giving Sensational and the rest of the girls a run for their money, okay? So I am very, very excited about this unit. So right now, Yvette is retailing for about $55. I will put, as you guys know, if you guys are new here, I'm all about hashtag save the coins. That's kind of my thing on this channel. So anytime I review a product or a wig or anything, I'm always going to put the cheapest price that I can find online in the description box below for you guys. So you don't have to like price search or whatever. I'll always try to find the cheapest price for you. So I will see where I can find her the cheapest and I'll put the link down below in the description box. So make sure to check that out. So specs on this unit, this is a lace front synthetic unit. It does have 13 by 6 inches of parting space. And it also features the like HD transparent lace that was on the Sade wig that I also reviewed. If you want to take a look a little bit closer at what the lace looks like, it's really well done. This unit has 3 combs. There's one in the back near the nape, and there are also 2 up near the temple area. It also comes with an elastic band that's adjustable and adjustable straps. As you guys can see, I have her parted like a center part, but if you wanted to, you could part her pretty much anywhere. This unit is pretty thick, but it's not hot. I don't feel like she's overpowering. I will say she's pretty long. She goes down to about my belly button on me, or just above my belly button, not that long. Girl, my belly button is somewhere else these days because I am a whole 7 months pregnant, okay? So don't go off my belly button, okay? She's past my boobs. That's what I'll say. I'll say she's past my boobs because where my belly button is right now and where yours is probably much different. But she is pretty long. I'll go ahead and turn around so I can show you guys what she looks like from the back. So the install on this unit, the installation process on this unit was actually pretty easy. I feel like this is definitely one of these units that you can kind of just cut the lace off and just add your powder and throw and go and you should be fine. I'm gonna show you guys like a quick clip of how I installed this unit and then I'll come back with my final thoughts.
Ryan Little.
So final thoughts on this unit. I think that the hairline, like I mentioned earlier, was executed perfectly. I think it was really, really easy. You guys saw me cut some baby hairs, some additional baby hairs there, and sometimes I just do that just to do it in case I wanted to lay them. I didn't end up wanting to lay them. But you could definitely do that. This unit is really easy to install. I would definitely say that this unit is very beginner friendly. I didn't have to do a lot of customization. I did not have to pluck this unit. I literally just cut the lace off and plopped her on and added powder. I did go the extra mile of adding some additional baby hairs, but I didn't even end up laying them down. I think it looks fine without it, but you could if you wanted to. I will make another note about the installation process. I feel like this unit is tight, and I think I felt the same way about the Sade unit as well. Maybe it's like a thing with the Outre Perfect hairline units, but if you're like me, I have a megadome, okay? I have a megadome. I'm megadome gang. If you are a megadome gang like me, I don't think that this unit is necessarily big head friendly, which is why I'm glad that I'm wearing my wig rip and I don't have to put the combs in, because if you had to put the combs in, it'd probably be really, really uncomfortable for you. I had to really struggle to like get this unit up, but once I got her over the wig grip, I don't have to worry about her sliding back. But just keep that in mind if you have a larger head. As far as tangling and shedding are concerned, I haven't seen any shedding from this unit whatsoever. No shedding at all. I am shooketh. I haven't had any shedding from this unit. I have had a little bit of tangling. I think just because it's kind of a kinkier unit and more textured unit. It is tangling, but it's relatively, like, they're not like hard tangles where you really have to like dig in there and get them out. They're like little snags. Feels like little snags. And the hair is definitely soft. I would say, I think that the price range is reasonable. It's a little high, it's a little on the high end for this unit, but I think that the hairline kind of makes up for it. So I would say I would definitely recommend this unit. I think she's really pretty, very easy to install, very beginner friendly, and I love just the volume and the color, girl. I'm all the way in my Beyonce bag today, okay? This wig is giving me rich auntie vibes, vacation vibes. I don't bring a side for Thanksgiving, but I bring gifts for the kids and some money. That's what this wig is giving me, okay? So yeah, I really like her. I think that it's beautiful. I think the wig is well done. Again, I am getting a little bit of snagging, a little bit of tangling at the ends here. Not too terrible, but I am getting tangles, so I wanted to note that. So yeah, as always, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Give this video a like. Let me know if you think that you would consider picking up Miss Yvette. I really like the Outre Perfect hairline units. I might pick up a couple more to review for you guys. Let me know what you think if you're interested in seeing the other ones. Again, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next one.